Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to incorporate Adapalene in skincare. First thing first, cleanse your face. Wash with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Apply a pea-sized amount, spread it with a thin layer of Adapalene gel over your entire face, not just spots. Apply before bed since retinoids can be broken down by sunlight, and if your skin feels dry or tight, use a non-comedogenic moisturizer after. To incorporate Adapalene, start slowly. Use every other night to let your skin adjust, and if tolerated, switch to nightly use. Limit exfoliants like AHAs, scrubs, strong acids that can increase irritation. Also always wear SPF. Retinoids make skin more sensitive to the sun, so apply sunscreen daily. And a pro tip, expect some dryness, mild, peeling or purging in the first few weeks. That's normal and usually improves with consistent use. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.